welcome to this channel called Coding for Kids. Now, you might be an adult, a parent, a carer, or you might be a kid. If you are a kid, then I'll give you a tutorial. And if you are a parent, you can show your kid this video on how to make a small game in Scratch. Now, when you create an account right here, all you have to do is there will be a button. So you'll be greeted with a home page like this. There will be two buttons over here and over here. One says Join Scratch, one says Sign In. Join Scratch is the one you'll be clicking. You'll have to do a series of verifications and stuff. Then, after you've done that, you can go to Create and create a game. So I will be helping you create your first game on Scratch. Now, first you have to open up Scratch. In a new tab, just search up Scratch. Then, you'll be greeted with this screen. Now, if you want to choose other characters than this, you can click here and click here to select. And if you want another background, you can click here. So I want a new background. For this one, I'll choose. I'll choose a castle. So you can put the cat here. Then, oh, this is so cute. Not to get carried away, you can put any other thing, or sprite as they call it, here. What about this small crab? Now, you can create anything with Scratch. So you can put the crab there. Now, when this clicked, say, you can tell them to say whatever you like. I'm gonna say, hello crab. Hello crab. What are you doing here? Oops. What are you doing here? For 2 seconds. Then crab. Oh, wrong one. But hello cat. What are you doing here? Hello cat. What are you doing here? Okay, even the cat says. When this clicked, wait 1 second, because when this says hello, and I'll just give you an example. So this is what happens when you put two of them at once. So they both say it at the same time. So you have to put wait 2 seconds and say whatever you like. A talking crab. A talking crab. So, hello cat, what are you doing here? A talking crab. Then you can go to any other place. So let's imagine that the cat says, I want to go somewhere else. It's so scary. You can choose another backdrop. And what about the blue sky. So in this one, you actually need, wait, just a sec. So you'll have two backgrounds. So what will happen is, after I receive message, when this key pressed, what about down? No, any. You can change it to set backdrop to blue sky. Then, if you don't want the crab there, then you can simply go to the crab and say when so when backdrop switches to blue sky, looks, hide. Then when this pressed, because if you just do this, hello cat, what are you doing here? Ah, talking crab. Why didn't that work? Oh, so then when you click this, it's supposed to turn to, when this clicked, switch backdrop to castle. So then you want the crab to be visible, right? So you click show. Now you can go wherever you want with this, but this is how mine went. So, hello cat, what are you doing here? Ah, a talking crab! Wow, it's so cute. So that's it for my small tutorial. Hope you could teach your kids, or you could teach, or well, you could learn how to do some basic coding with Scratch. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you on the next coding video. Goodbye.